Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2020. It's the second match in round 3 of TVJ Schools Challenge quiz, and the scores are Wolmer's Boys School on 19, Old Harbour High also on 19, and Old Harbour lost a point for the question, what is the name for an organic molecule that has a COC bonding? And the answer given was ester. The correct answer is ether. And now let's get into our buzzer challenge. They're even Steven. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, it's time to get up with your quick fingers, your quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning this championship. Let's have 4 minutes on the clock, please. And the first question comes from Bible knowledge. In Jonah's message to Nineveh, how long did he say it would be before the city would be destroyed? 40 days. Biology. Plant cells experience no net gain or loss of water when they are placed in an isotonic solution. Is this true or false? Old Harbour.
True. True.
Correct. Good. English language. Using the word storm, give an idiomatic expression which means to come through a difficult. Wolmer's Boys.
To weather the storm.
Correct, a difficult experience. International affairs, a visual one, so look at the screen, identify this person. Wolmer's Boys.
Cyril Ramaphosa.
No, that would be Salva Kiir Mayardit, President of South Sudan. Chemistry. If 32.8 grams of calcium nitrate represents 0.2 mole, what is the molar mass of this compound, including the units? Wolmer's Boys.
102 grams per mole.
Incorrect. 164 grams per mole. Music. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer. Old Harbour High.
Peter Tosh. Peter Tosh.
Correct. General knowledge. General knowledge. Sinology is the Wolmer's Boys.
Dogs.
No, sinology is the study of which country? The answer is China. Spanish. What time is son las 5:05 de la tarde? Wolmer's Boys.
4:55 in the evening. 4:55 in the evening.
That would be in the afternoon. Judges, do we accept? Okay. Geography. What number represents the highest intensity level? Wolmer's?
12.
Yes, of an earthquake on the modified Mercalli scale. Art, a visual question. Look at the screen. Give the title of this piece. Old Harbour.
Gothic. American Gothic.
Correct.
Easy.
Information technology. What is the field or collection of fields in one table that uniquely identifies a row of another table or the same table? Foreign key. And history. In which year did the storming of the Bastille, Old Harbour High?
1789. 1789.
Correct. Occur in Paris. Mathematics. Simplify 4, open bracket, x minus 3, close bracket, minus 3, open bracket, 2 plus 3x, close bracket. Minus 5x minus 18. Physics. What is the name for a linear interval of space? Distance. And sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. Michael Hyatt. Jamaican heritage. Give the current name of the site that was in the 19th century called Kingston Racecourse. Wolmer's Boys.
No.
National
Heroes Park.
No, Heroes Circle. National Heroes Park.
Wrong answer came first. It's National Heroes Park. French. Translate to English the following sentence. Comment va tu père? Wolmer's Boys.
How is your father?
Correct. Literature. And that's the final bell. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of our match. And the scores are Wolmer's Boys School on 19, Old Harbour High on 27. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.